This is how you create a Faryer model. In the center in yellow is your new vocabulary word. Here is the word bathroom. I need to include a translation, traducción, in Spanish, a definition in my own words, a sentence, oración, using the new vocabulary word, and an image or a picture, imagen, of the vocabulary word. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to look for an image of the bathroom. I'm going to go to Insert, Image, and search from the web. I'm going to type my vocabulary word. Then I'm going to choose a picture to represent the bathroom, whichever one I like. Then I need to make the picture smaller and put it in the box. Now I need a translation of bathroom. The translation is baño. So, bathroom in English is baño in Spanish. So I'm going to put that there. I don't know how to get the little image. Baño. Okay? So now I need to think of a definition. What do I do in the bathroom? The room where I brush my teeth. So the baño is where I brush my teeth. Now I'm going to write a sentence. I brush my teeth in the bathroom. Period. And then you are done.